Sonny Roberts was a Jamaican-born music pioneer who migrated to the UK in the 1950s. In the early 60s, he opened Planetone Studios, the first black-owned recording studio and label in Britain. From 110.8 Cambridge Road, he recorded icons like Rico Rodriguez and worked closely with legends such as Chris Blackwell of Island Records and Lee Gopthal of Trojan Records, helping reggae and other Caribbean sounds take root in the UK. In 1970, he launched Orbitone Records in Harlesden, which became a hub for reggae, soca, lovers rock, African music and ska. It's here he worked with Nigerian artists like the Nkengas, helping lay the foundation for what we now recognise as Afrobeats. In 2015, he received the JaRIA Award, and in 2023, he was honoured with a Blue Plaque at the former Planetone site. Sonny's legacy bridges genres and generations,